Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the world of machinery maintenance, specifically focusing on the top 5 reasons why equipment failure happens, and most importantly, what you can do about it. We'll be discussing topics like aging and usage, improper operation, lack of preventive maintenance, ignoring warnings, and poor culture. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of these common causes of failure and tools to better mitigate them. Let's dive right in. If you're working in a manufacturing or production environment, you're no stranger to equipment failures. We all know that machinery is crucial to a business's mission, and it's only natural that it breaks down from time to time. But the real game changer is understanding the common causes of these failures and mitigating them as much as possible. First up, we have aging and usage. Just like everything else in this world, manufacturing equipment gets old and wears out over time. Each piece of machinery has an expected lifespan, which can be shorter or longer than anticipated, depending on how frequently the equipment is used and serviced. But here's the thing, if machines are used properly, cared for regularly, and have components replaced before they cause problems, complete equipment failures may be rare. The trick is to understand the lifespan and usage of your machinery. Knowing how particular pieces of machinery are used, their key components, and accurately tracking the frequency of usage can help you make better decisions. For instance, if a company understands the real cost of labor and parts required for regular maintenance, it becomes clear at some point that upgrading to a new machine makes more financial sense than continuing to repair the existing one. Next, we have improper operation. When machines are used improperly, it can cause premature damage to the equipment and result in malfunctions and failures. Often this isn't intentional but results from poor training or lack of information. For instance, if a piece of equipment is constantly run at the wrong speed, or tasks are performed in the wrong order, it can stress components and cause premature failure. The best solution here is to ensure technicians are properly trained on each piece of equipment and that this education is continuous. This could be through on-the-job training, gamification, and other incentives, or periodic checks by trained supervisors. Having a mentor system for new employees can be a great way to quickly answer questions and instill good habits from the beginning. Thirdly, we have the lack of preventive maintenance. Just like a car would end up in the junkyard much more quickly if oil changes, tire rotations, and other regular maintenance tasks were ignored, preventive maintenance is key to avoiding equipment failure. One of the biggest reasons for lack of preventive maintenance is that supervisors or technicians do not know when these tasks were last completed or when they must be done again. Adopting a CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system, that can prompt reminders for regular maintenance or inspections after certain periods of time or hours of usage can help organize work orders in an efficient and effective manner. The fourth reason is ignoring warnings. Very few pieces of equipment go from perfect operation to complete failure. Unfortunately, many operators and supervisors are too focused on immediate performance and production requirements to take action based on early warning signs. The solution here is to incentivize a focus on overall value and reward good decisions, such as noting and recording potential equipment problems. This can go a long way in preventing equipment failures. Finally, we have poor culture. The attitude of the management and technicians about maintenance in general can contribute to equipment failures. Many companies have a poor attitude when it comes to maintenance, often viewing the department negatively because they need to be brought in when problems occur. But here's the thing. Culture change is always a difficult task, but all employees in an organization need to believe they are part of the solution when it comes to preventing equipment failures. If technicians see their value in not only operating equipment, but being the ones most intimately involved with a particular machine, and therefore, the best individuals to flag warning signs and problems, it's likely that failures would decrease significantly. So, there you have it, the top 5 reasons why equipment failure happens and what you can do about it. Remember, understanding and mitigating these issues can be the key to minimizing equipment failures and maximizing productivity. And that wraps up our video. We've explored the top 5 reasons for equipment failure: aging and usage, improper operation, lack of preventive maintenance, ignoring warnings, and poor culture. We've also discussed how to mitigate these issues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. For further information and resources on maintenance and reliability, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, Knowledge is power, and we're here to help you power up. Until next time.